everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Now in today's video, I'm going to share my hair care routine which have been blessing for my hair. Now, the monsoon brings relief from the summer sweltering heat, but it also brings a bag full of woes for people like us who have unruly and frizzy hair. Now, the monsoon tends to make our hair dull and frizzy while increasing irritations like dandruff and hair fall. It is because of the moisture content in the air. Now, this moisture makes it easier for the dirt and grime to get stuck on the scalp and hair shaft, making the hair follicles weak, causing hair fall. So, in today's video, I'm going to talk about few of the hair care products that has really helped in strengthening my hair, controlling hair frizz and hair fall. And those hair care products that I've been using for quite some time are from the brand Earth Rhythm. Now, these products are natural, they are sulfate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free and dermatologically tested and is really a blessing for your hair. So please continue to watch the entire video because in this video, I'm going to talk about these hair care products by Earth Rhythm in brief. I'm going to tell you how these products can benefit your hair. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Now, the first product that I'll be talking about today is the Earth Rhythm Fenugreek and Keratin Protein Nourishing Hair Oil. Now, it is also enriched with sweet almond oil, which controls frizz and also smoothens your hair. Now, this Fenugreek and Keratin Protein Hair Oil is the ultimate answer to strengthen your hair. Now, talking about the inner packaging, the Earth Rhythm Fenugreek and Keratin Protein Nourishing Hair Oil comes in a glass bottle like this. It has a screw cap and the opening of the hair oil is managed by a cap, something like this, which ensures that the oil doesn't spill. Now, talking about its consistency, it is very light and yellowish in color. It is because of the presence of fenugreek and sweet almond oil. Now, talking about the hair oil, it is very light in consistency. It smells of fenugreek and sweet almond oil, but it is not very overpowering. Now, let me show you how to use this hair oil. Now, apply oil on your scalp and massage with fingertips using circular motion. Apply the oil left on your palms to your hair. Now, you can keep this hair oil overnight or you can keep it for an hour and then wash off your hair. Now, this hair oil has fenugreek, which is high in protein and vitamin B3. It increases blood circulation to induce keratin and helps in healthy hair growth. Now, it has keratin protein, which helps to strengthen your hair to prevent breakage, heat damage and frizz. And it has sweet almond oil, which has hydrating and nourishing properties that make your hair healthy, which makes it shinier and luscious. Also, it helps to reduce breakage, split ends, dry roots and itchy scalp. Now, the second product that I'll be talking about is the Earth Rhythm Moisture Lock Scalp Complex Hydrate, which has 2% hyaluronic acid and 1% panthenol. This hair care product by Earth Rhythm controls frizz, provides scalp hydration and shields hair from pollution. The Moisture Lock Scalp Complex comes in a pump glass bottle like this. Now, the pump is secured with a cap. This is how you have to take the product, and it has a gel-like consistency which is very light on the scalp. Now, this Moisture Lock Hair Complex do not have any smell to it. It has Resist Hyal, which is a new generation of hair care active ingredient containing an optimized ratio of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid dissolved in a blend of water and lactic acid. Now, let me show you how to use this product. Shake the bottle before use. Now, use Earth Rhythm Moisture Lock Complex Hydrate as a pre-shampoo treatment. Take 2 to 3 pumps into the palm of your hands and massage the hands together, working the formula into the scalp with your fingertips. Use Earth Rhythm Moisture Lock Complex Hydrate once or twice a week. You can use it as a booster, adding a pump to your shampoo or conditioner to supercharge your hair wash ritual. Now, we have been talking about the hair wash, and for that, we will be talking about the Earth Rhythm Shampoo Bar with Shikakai, Reeta, Amla and curry leaf. Now, the net quantity of this product is 80 grams. Now, this shampoo bar strengthens hair, controls hair frizz and prevents premature graying. This soap comes in a tin packaging like this, which is really attractive, which can be reused. Now, Talking about the inner packaging, this is how the soap looks like. Now this contains Shikakai, which is rich in saponins, vitamins and antioxidants that make your hair shiny. It has Reeta, which is also known as soap nuts, which is an excellent cleanser and helps to soothe and cool the scalp and make your hair soft and prevent it from drying and frizziness. It also has Amla, which is one of the best natural ingredient that help prevent hair fall and premature graying, and it has curry leaves, which is rich in antioxidants, and these antioxidants moisturize the scalp and also remove dead hair follicles. Now let me show you how you can use this soap to clean your scalp from dirt and grime and also to get beautiful hair. Wet the bar and rub between the hands to create a lather or directly rub onto your hair. Work on lather to clean the scalp and rinse off with water. Now as you can see, it creates a lot of lather without using much of the soap, and I absolutely love the way it works on my hair. If you can see, my hair looks very clean after the wash. It looks healthy and there are no hair fall or hair loss. Scalp feels so light. I literally love the volume it has given to my hair. I definitely have noticed less hair fall and obviously a clean scalp. And the final product that I'll be talking about is the Earth Rhythm hair butter. This is a reparative hair butter which has cocoa butter, fenugreek and onion seed oil in it. Now this hair butter strengthens roots, promotes hair regrowth, adds shine and volume to your hair. This is how the inner packaging looks like. It comes in a glass tub bottle like this. It has a screw cap and the product is protected by a cap like this. Now talking about this hair butter is very light, has airy consistency, resembling just like a whipped cream. If I can show you, this is so moisturizing. It literally is like a whipped cream, and this definitely acts as a moisturizing sealer that ultimately protects your hair from dryness and breakage. Now let me show you how to use Earth Rhythm Repairative hair butter. You just need to take a little bit of this product, apply it on your hands like so, and run through your hair from your roots to the end of the hair. Now this hair butter has onion oil which nourishes your scalp and improves the blood circulation, thus ensuring thicker and stronger hair. It has fenugreek oil which has detangling properties that helps combat frizz and promote shiny and soft hair, and it has cocoa butter which is rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps to combat hair loss. It contains beneficial nutrients for your hair such as protein, riboflavin, vitamin A and thiamine. It adds vibrancy, shine, volume and promote healthy hair growth. Now after using all the hair care products that I've shown you in the video, now I absolutely love my hair. I can just play with my hair whenever I want without worrying about dandruff, unruly and frizzy hair and also hair fall. So loves, enjoy healthy hair free from dandruff, frizziness, hair fall and dullness with these range of Earth Rhythm hair care products that not only nourishes your hair, strengthens your hair, but also relieves you of your hair O's. I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I have listed the product details in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.